Hello, my name is Alva, and welcome to my channel, which shares about classical music composers, their different styles, skills, innovations, and popularity as well, and nothing incites more heated debate among classical music scholars and fans than determining which of their composer of Western classical music are the most essential. I hope you enjoy my video. Sir Garfield Sobers. Sir Garfield Saint Auburn Sober, also known as Sir Gary or Sir Gary Sober, is the former cricketer who played the West Indies between 1954 and 1974, a highly skilled bowler, an aggressive batsman, and an excellent fielder. He is widely considered to be a cricket's greatest ever all-around all-rounder and one of the greatest cricketers of all times. Born in Bridgetown, Barbados, Sobers made his first club debut for the Barbados cricket team at the age of 18 in 1953 and a test debut for the West Indies the following year. Originally playing mainly as the bowler, he was soon promoted of the batting order. Against Pakistan in 1958, Sober scored his maiden Test century, progressing into a 365 not out and established a new record for the highest individual score in his innings. His record was not broken until Brian Lara scored 375 in 1994. Sober was made captain of the West Indies in 1965, a role which is who until the 1962. He was also captain and rest of the world 11 during their 1970 tours of England. Overall, Sober played 93 tests for the West Indies, scoring 8,032 runs at the average of the 57 and 78.78 and taking 235 wickets at an average of 34.03. He has the fifth highest batting average in Test cricket in the list of cricketers with more than 5,000 runs, and has 383 first-class matches. He scored over 20,000 runs and took over 1,000 wickets. His fifth highest wicket, having spent time with South Australia and Nottinghamshire towards the end of his career. Sober was knighted by Queen Elizabeth II in 1975 for his services to cricket. He became a dual Barbadian Australian citizen through marriage in 1980. By an Act of Parliament in 1998, Sober was named one of the 11 national heroes of Barbados. In 2009, Sober was inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame. He criticized the decision for Barbados to become a republic, seeing it as a sad day for many Barbadians. 1936 to 1954, early years in Garfield's St. Auburn. Sober was born on 28 July 1936 to Shamond and Thermal Sober of the Walcott Avenue, Bayland, St. Michael, Bridgetown, Barbados, and was the fifth of the 6 children. I brother he has 2 extra fingers. One of his hands, Sober was 1'5" when his father died at sea in January 1942 after his ship was torpedoed by a German U-boat. From an early age, Sober demonstrated the ability and enthusiasm to play with great skills almost any sport involving a ball, particularly cricket, football, and basketball. He and his similarly talented brother Gerald helped the Bay Street Boys school team to win the primary school inter-school cricket championship for 3 consecutive years. When he was when he was 13, he was recruited to play for um, two local cricket teams, the Count St. Philip Club and the Barbados Cricket League, and the Wanderers Club, located at Baylands and in the Barbados. Garnet Ashby, captain of Count St. Philip, told him that this was his opportunity to play cricket at the big boys. Sober gained years-long experience by bowling to Wanderers batsmen, including West Indies Test player Dennis Atkinson, a practice in the net and soon developed his great skill as a left-arm spin bowler. More importantly, for his career, he was observed by Inspector Wilfred Farmer, captains of the Polish team in the PCL's first division. Farmer offered Sober a chance to play for the Polish team in the 1951-52 season. While he was still only 15, in the 1952-53 season, Sober was invited to be the Barbados trial for the Colony Tour match against the Indian touring teams at Kensington's Oval. Bridgetown. He was initially selected as 12 men, but then made the team himself when Frank King was forced to withdraw with an injury. He therefore made his first-class debut on 31 January 1953, aged only 16, batting at number 9. He scored 7 not out of his only inning, but made an immediate impression as a bowler, taking 4 per 15 and 3 per 92.